A minor blues scales. I'll do this slow. A, C, D, D sharp, D, G, A, C, D, D sharp, E, G, A, C. Up there, 8th fret, 1st string. That's it. A, C, D, D sharp, E, G. There's the first octave. And here's the riff. A minor. Just do a little riff here. Okay. To A. That's the it's an A minor chord, same as this. I'm sliding up on to that D. Playing A minor, bar 5. D. And D. And then E major. Back to A minor. If that riff sounds familiar, it's probably because it's pretty signature. Gonna go to the place that's the best. Going and living down to die. Going up to the spirit in the sky. That's the best. Yeah, come on. Pay yourself. You know it's a must. Gotta have a friend in Jesus. So you know that when you die, he's gonna recommend you to the spirit in the sky. Just an excerpt from that song again. This is just one riff. Just one example, rather, of a riff in the A minor blues scale. It's Guitar Bobby. I hope you like that. Come on. And die and lay me to rest. And I go to the place that's the best. Down to die. Peace. Have fun with it. Again, A minor blues scale.